undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the world's first paper nail salon! I'm so excited! Let's see… What? It's almost 11? Oh! My first client is coming! Wish me luck!
Did you say it's a nail salon?
No! You should make an appointment first! See you next time, girlfriend!
Excuse me? I haven't done my clothes for so long.
Monsters Day's tomorrow! Oh, here you are! Hi! Nice to meet you! Suit yourself. Let's see your hands. Show them, please. No, it's alright. Don't worry. I was just yawning. Where to begin? Exactly! Nail design. We have so many options. Here are some colorful designs. And these are for mermaid theme lovers.
No, that doesn't sound like me at all.
Okay, don't be upset. We have more options. What about this one?
Ew! Yuck! Put it away from me. I don't like it.
It's not that easy, but I'll keep trying. I know what you'd like. Here, look at this. A Trolls-inspired design.
Yes! Oh, I want that.
Oh, you love it too? Great! I'll go fetch the set. Here, it was approved by Trolls themselves. Shall we have a look? Special oil for the cuticle treatment is a must. The base nail coat. And a top as well. Okay, there's a lot more. Hand cream. This one is my favorite kind.
I want it all.
Wait. Let's have a look at everything. Here's a nail file. Check out these long nails. Yeah, we definitely need a nail file today. So, the first step is cleansing. I need a brush and a cleansing spray. That's right. Also… Hey, why are you here? No, we don't need you. Aha! Here they are. Wet wipes. I wonder how many items are still in there. I'm pouring it all out. Whoops! Sorry, we'll do this step later. Now, let me have a look at your hands. Oh my! Do you see it too? Ew! Well, we have a lot of work to do, but I'm not prone to be scared away. Wet wipes are just what we need. Here we go. Wipe them clean. Wow! Check out this instant effect. That gunk under the nails is gone too. Oh, this won't do. You defo need my special treatment plan. SOS Makeover from Sue. Here is my first aid tool. Now I'll change the settings. Okay, we can start. Awesome! Next, we'll cut your nails. They're pretty long. Come on, sit still.
It tickles.
There. We're done. Let me just clean here a bit. And now, we need to remove your uneven cuticles too. This way, your hand will look nice and neat. There you go. Let me clean your hand.
Oh!
Just be patient. It won't take long. Yeah, it's hard to trim them evenly just like that. We need a nail file. Give me your hand and watch your nails shine up. Well, how does it look?
Oh, it's wonderful. I love it.
Told ya! My salon makes all clients happy. And their nails beautiful. The basic treatment is done. What shall we do next? Alright, you want press-on nails? Your wish is my command. We have various options here. Pick any shape you like. Which one is it gonna be?
Not these, please.
Okay. Then how about this shape?
Are you kidding me?
Wrong again, huh? Well, I have only these left. What do you say?
That's just what I need.
Aha! Get your nails ready for a makeover. And the last one. There!
Hey, I like it.
Awesome! I'm so glad. Can I take a photo, please?
Sure thing.
Just what I need for my Instagram. So, are you ready for the next step?
Oh, I can't wait.
Cool! I like your enthusiasm. Let's go! A base coat is a core element of a nice manicure. Give me your hands, please. This paper nail coat looks so real. Do you like it? I think one layer will be just fine. Let's cover them up. We'll use something special to dry the nail polish faster. Ta-da! This is a UV lamp. We'll turn it on, set the timer, and wait. Everything is dried out. It means we are moving on to the nail art. Where was that design you liked? Ah, here it is. We'll start with the outline first. Markers serve as nail polish in the paper salon. Now let's make it bright. And the first one is done. Do you like it so far?
It looks gorgeous.
Great! It's gonna get even better, I promise. Oh, seriously? I'm falling in love with this nail design. Give a thumbs up, everybody, if you like it too. Oh, you don't like this color? I'll fix it. With paper nails, it is just a piece of cake.
Now this is much better.
Awesome! Let me keep going then. That's it. Now I need that lamp again. Oh, hi, Paper Sammy! Say hi to everyone. Sam does know how to make an entrance. Okay, let's dry your nails out. 30 seconds will be enough. Okay, let me see if we're good. Perfect. But we are not done yet. Such an outstanding manicure needs glitter. And I'm going to use nail glue to make your nails shine. One teeny tiny drop is just what we need. Now a little bit of glitter. Oh, it is such a delicate job. I will spread it out carefully, like this. It looks magical, right? And I just came up with this idea. Great! To make the nail polish last longer, we'll use a top coat with fast drying effect. After this, you are going to need to wait for a few seconds. And your nails are done! Also, we shouldn't forget to pay attention to the cuticle. Here's that special oil that should come in handy. This oil smells so nice. Let me rub it a little bit. Would you like some soft hand moisturizer?
I'd love that.
I knew it! Apply cream with slow, soothing motions so the skin will absorb it better. Here we go! Please, have a look. Are you happy?
Wow, it's so cool. You are the best.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Can I shoot a short video for my channel?
Sure.
Great! Thanks for coming in. See you later. Loyal customers get a discount.
Bye-bye, and thank you once again.
Aw, it was such a memorable day. Friends, did you like visiting my nail salon too? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!
Into a flat sausage shape. There we go. Just keep rolling. Roll and roll and roll like that. This is looking good. Now let's get our plant pot and cover it in the clay. Here we go. We'll try and cover the whole thing like this and then squidge it down on the bottom there and then overlap it and push everything down to make a pot shape. There we go. This is looking good.
Halfway there.
Halfway already? Oh no. There we go. That's nice. And when it's completely covered in clay, we can cover it in the bits and pieces. Get plenty on and you just push them all into place like this. You can do it with your hands like this. You can use whatever bits you like.
10 seconds.
Oh, 10 seconds to go. Just keep pushing. Got a few seconds left. There we go. Here's my jazzy pot. Like that to make a nose. Now we need a white pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it around the pencil like this. There we go. If you slide it off, this is going to be the body of our mouse. There we go. That goes up to the nose. Then with this other pink piece here, we're going to fold it into ear shapes. There we go. There's one ear and there's the other ear. And we can pop that up and squeeze it into position. There we go. Our mouse has got 2 ears. Now we need to get these other 2 white pipe cleaners and wrap them around the pencil. There's one. And there's the other one. Wrap it around. This is the rest of the mouse's body. And then slide that off and slide it onto our mouse like that. Curl the tail up. And then we need to stick on 2 eyes. One bit of glue there, one bit of glue there. There's one eye. And there is the other eye. I've done it! A bird's head with a long neck like that, and also a beak. And let's cut these out very carefully with scissors. Now remember, scissors are sharp, so you might want to ask an adult to help you with this bit. There we go, there's the beak. And let's cut out the head very carefully, all the way along and round and down the other side. There we go. Right, let's get some glue and stick the beak on. There it is. And now he needs some eyes. All right, come back here, you. That's it. There's one and there's 2. Oh, there we go. Right, now we need the pine cone and hopefully that will stick in there, which it does. Now we need some feathers. Let's get some feathers stuck in. There we go. There's one in there. One in there. Go on, in you go. One in there. And one in there. And just about enough time for one more. There. Our plastic pot like that. Let's shake it all out. Fantastic. And then put this to one side. Let's draw our fish. Okay, he's going to look a bit like that. Let's give him a tail. Fantastic. An eye. A mouth and another little fin there. Now let's cut this out very carefully. But scissors are sharp, remember? So be very careful. There we go.
Faster!
Now, our fish is nearly ready, but we need to stick him into the tank. So let's make a little sticky roll of sticky tape just by rolling it up like that. There we go. Fantastic. And then this will stick to our fish and he'll pop into the tank. Fantastic. Now I just need to tear this very quickly, this green tissue paper, like that. And then if I bunch it up together, it makes the weed to go in the back. There!